The goal of the Future Makers Lab is to transform students from passive learners to active makers. Because in this lab, students can experience firsthand how calculus can be applied to approach real-life questions. And through this hands-on project, students were able to experience, actually calculus is so interesting and so useful. So these projects keep students really engaged and foster their innate curiosity and creativity.
So first of all, just being hands-on with stuff tends to get students more excited.
You'll see this thing's going to be running.
We came up with 3 specific labs. So the first one, the students build a pulse ox and a heart rate monitor, and then they're taking the real-world data from that. The second lab, they build what we call a stress opticon, and we do some really cool stuff with the math behind how the forces change through materials as we apply force. And then you can see where the internal stresses are in that object. So being able to see it come to life and see the application is a game changer.
A over 2 raised to the squared power.
I want to teach the way I wish I had been taught. This generation of students is different, and they are really eager to learn with tactile, visual, hands-on experiences, building things, just like how we bring to life chemistry in the labs and physics in the labs. And that's the whole point, is to get students to understand the link there.
The third module is actually my module, so I'm really excited about it, but we build a self-balancing robot using data from a gyroscope.
I think this project was a really great example of how the tools that we have in design labs can be utilized in almost every department on campus. We feel that by building those core competencies in our labs, they'll have new problem-solving tools and skill sets that they can apply.
As a result from this past semester in our pilot, we see a 66% grade improvement between the Calc 1 course and the Calculus 2 course. So I'm very happy with how our pilot turned out. I provide a platform for the students, and then I just stand back and let the light shine on the students for them to be the star in their own learning journey. And I think it brings me a lot of joy.